Hi friends, today I'm showing you this pop-up garden bag. It's a 23-gallon reusable gardening waste bag, collapsible bucket. It's a pop-up spring garden bucket leaf and lawn pool, yard, trash bag, tank, green in color and comes in a good like this bag. This can also be used to hold any of those leaves and anything. So yeah, for me I will use this both of these bags, the packing and this one. So this is the main bag and you can see the plastic comes one. This is a 47 by 48 centimeter, 22 gallon or 23 gallon around. So this is the handle, and once you open it and see, it just pop up, and this is all open up, and the canvas, like the fabric used, is really sturdy and solid. This is inside, like it's like a waterproof for collecting the leaves or the trash inside the yard one. And then this can be easily foldable, that you can use. So there is a handle on the top of it that you can use. So the material is the Oxford and the steel wire, and the size, as I mentioned, is 18.5 inches to 19.3 inches. And the handle have this velcro, so you can put in or you can store, as I showed in the unboxing before. And this is a good space inside that you can put in. So overall it's a good bag and good size, and it's very sturdy and heavy duty bag. If you want, you can also use it for a laundry bag, that I can also use it for